Today I'm going to show you how you can take a study of a painting that you did in a smaller format and are able to use it to share with your loved ones and make a greeting card out of it. Very simple, very easy to do. Let's get started. Here I'm going to take a sealer, and this is a watercolor painting that I did a study on, and I'm going to take a sealer and put on top of it, and I use a fingertip dauber to do this and a microglaze, and I'll put the descriptions below and what I used. Any good sealer for watercolor will work. I'm just going to take the dauber and go in circular motions and apply it over the whole painting. This was actually, I think, originally a 4x6, and I cut it down to a 3x5 to use for a card. So I'm going to fast forward here because after you see the first couple of motions that I do, you do the same thing over the complete painting. This keeps it from moisture getting to it and making the watercolor run and distort. You don't need a heavy coat because you're going to buff it here in a moment, but you want to make sure that it's completely covered. And now I'm going to take a paper towel and go in circular motions and buff the excess sealer off of the painting, and it will be completely sealed and ready to use for our greeting card. It doesn't change the color, it doesn't come off, it just gives it a nice shiny effect. So here I have 110-pound white cardstock that I'm using for the base of my card. I have a 65-pound black liner that I'm going to attach the painting to. This is an A2 size card, and I'm using the all-purpose precision glue to attach the painting to the border. I have also put double-sided foam tape to rise the painting from the background, and we'll be taking that off here shortly. So I just eyeball it. I've already cut them down. They didn't come this way. I just have my dimensions on how I cut them. Whichever works for you. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I have the double-sided tape. I'm going to take the backing off. Gives the painting a little bit of lift. And on this one, I'm just using the word love on the front of it, so it can be any kind of card that you want to make it. It could be a sympathy card, a thank you card, a love card. I'm making it quite generic so that you can use it for any occasions. Works great on, like I said, the studies that you do. Be sure and sign your painting. It is an original. I'm just not going to use it for anything. So this, I used a die cut and die cut it out with my machine. If you don't have it, I mean, you can, there's other things you can do. You don't need anything, but I just have one because I do make greeting cards a lot. And then I'm putting a fine layer of glue on here, and I'm going to lay it down in the bottom left corner of the painting to bring the card together. And again, I just eyeball it. I don't measure it. Some people do. I try to get it close enough. So this way they're not staying by themselves. You can use it and send it to someone as a greeting card. Write your personal message on the inside, and there you go. You've got a beautiful greeting card that you've created to send someone. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. See you soon.